Dr. Peterson, thank you for taking my call regarding Mr. Harrison, patient 45B. He presented with escalating right lower quadrant pain, initially insidious, now quite sharp, accompanied by low-grade fever and mild nausea. His inflammatory markers are elevated, CRP at 45, WCC 14.7. Clinically, there's localized guarding and rebound tenderness. We're certainly thinking appendicitis.
Understood, Dr. Mihira. Sounds concerning. Any recent travel or unusual diet? Any previous abdominal surgeries?
No significant travel. Diet's been consistent. He did have a laparoscopic cholecystectomy about 3 years ago, uncomplicated. His primary concern at the moment, beyond the pain, is a persistent, non-productive cough he developed 3 days ago, which he attributes to seasonal allergies, but it's making him quite uncomfortable. However, my immediate reason for contacting you is the suspicion of acute appendicitis, which, as you know, requires urgent surgical evaluation. The cough, while bothersome, is secondary in terms of acuity.
Right, appendicitis suspicion is paramount. And the cough. Any respiratory symptoms beyond that, Dr. Mihira?
No dyspnea, no abnormal chest sounds. Just the dry cough. So, given the abdominal findings, I've already ordered an abdominal ultrasound, but I felt it prudent to get your opinion on his surgical candidacy and the potential for immediate intervention.
Absolutely. Send him over to ER. I'll meet him there and we can review the imaging together. Mihira, I want you to know that considering a dosage increase is a thoughtful step, but it's also completely normal to feel uncertain about what that might bring. When we raise the dose of certain migraine medications, especially pain relievers or triptans, the body can sometimes respond in a way that feels deeply unfair. Instead of fewer headaches, you might actually experience more, a phenomenon called rebound or medication overuse headache. This means the very medicine meant to free you ends up trapping you in a cycle where each new headache demands another dose, and over time, your head becomes more sensitive, not less. The initial relief might shorten, and the background ache can become a daily companion. So before changing dosage, please talk with your doctor about this risk. Alongside any medical change, small lifestyle adjustments often hold quiet power. Mihira, prioritizing sleep consistency, going to bed and waking at the same time, even on weekends, can calm a reactive nervous system. Managing stress, perhaps through gentle breathing or a short walk when tension rises, reduces the physical alarm that triggers migraines. Staying hydrated throughout the day, not just when thirst strikes, helps, as does learning your personal dietary triggers. Common ones include aged cheese, processed meats, caffeine withdrawal, or artificial sweeteners. Keeping a simple journal of what you eat and how you feel might reveal patterns you never noticed. None of this is about perfection, only about offering your body steadier ground. You deserve that compassion.